Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today I'm sharing my weekly projects with scrapdivadesigns.com. Head on over to her website and as well as check out her social medias where you can gain so much inspiration from her Instagram, her TikTok, her Pinterest, as well as using the hashtag. She has a hashtag and just about anyone who uses her dies will tag that hashtag on their platform, so definitely check that out. So what I want to start off with are the Valentine stamp set as well as the Galentine stamp set. They're intermingled here using a heart-shaped tag from ScrapDiva Designs as well. And what I did is I embossed it in white embossing powder, and I just love how they turned out with all of these bright pinks and not the teal, but the blue and the pastel pink and red. It pops. I think it really pops with the white. And I seen a card maker use it, so I had to try it out as well. And I just love how it turned out with the white. And then I paired it with the hot pink twine and tied a bow. So those are it right there. The Valentine stamp comes with 16 pieces and the Galentine stamp comes with 13 pieces. So here is another stamped banner there. So I used most of the banners already, and I want to also share with you the word sentiments. So I have been using them throughout the Valentine season, and so the smooch came from a lip album, mini album die set. There is You're the Bomb. I believe I shared that one too. Lipstick, as well as Smile, as well as Stay Chic. So there's a lot of word dies that I have already been sharing, but not all together as one like now. So let's get into this 3D mailbox. This is the star of the show, I think, and I just love this die. It's definitely useful for party favors, sending out embellishments as well as treats as a treat box, or sending off to school with your kiddos. But in my case, it's going out in a swap. So I have a swap partner, a couple. So this one's headed out soon. And I just love how it turned out. The bow is also ScrapDiva. I will have it linked below. Also added some layered embellishments as well as some sequins. The sequence is from Alina Cuddle from way back when. I won it in a giveaway, so I still had some, and I need to use them because it's been for a while already. So I also added a charm on the right hand side, so it's a cute little box. The bow is ScrapDiva's. I added a charm, a heart charm to that as well from Amazon. I will have it linked below, but really cute. I used the Sweet Talk collection by Simple Stories, so that is an older collection. So let's move on to the wavy die set. It comes with 6 pieces as well as 3 different sizes, and I just love it. I did have a hard time deciding what to make. I wanted to make flags like everyone else. I also wanted to make a single layered banner. I also wanted to put this on a gift box as a gift tag. So I ended up going with the tag embellishment. So it's a layered tag embellishment, and it's so cute. I love the pug. I think the pug brings up all the colors with the contrast of the white and the black and his little sunglasses. I just love it. And here's the tassel. This tassel is from Snow and Cocoa. It's by Crate Paper, some embellishment tassels that were included in the collection, and I just had 2 and I decided to use them up. I also added some charms. A little suggestion to further embellish this tag: you can also add some sequins. You can also add some miniature pom-poms. You can also make it a shaker, so if you want to go that route, you can do that as well. For all 3 sizes, I did the same thing. they're just different sizes. So this one has the pink tag. It also has a pink heart. It has the pug. It has all the hearts. As you can see, the smaller hearts that are behind the pug, each of them are different. So those are the wavy die set tags. So I want to share with you a sneak peek of what I've been working on. I did share the first page and the cover of this mini album with you in my last video. This is the Love mini album die set. It comes with 5 pieces. I just love this mini album die set. I've been having so much fun making this, and this is my first Valentine's mini album, and I just love it. I love adding clips and paper clips or whatnot on top of all of the mini albums, and I just love how they peek through the top and just give so much to the eye and what you can see in the album. So I did share this page here in my last video, and I also wanted to share the next page because I've been working on it in between all of my design team projects as well as swaps. So that is the back cover and the first page. The second page are these right here. I just love the left hand side. I have the hot pink heart, and I have some journal cards in the pocket. As a pocket, I added the Valentine sticker set from, I can't remember, I think Pebbles from way back when. So I decided to pair that here, as well as some hearts from an old collection as well. And over here on the right hand side, I completely forgot to stitch the border of the background, so this page doesn't have the stitching. I jumped the gun and tried to glue that as fast as I could, but I added this envelope, and inside this envelope you can add pictures, so it'll hold 5 miniature pictures here, or journal, whatever you'd like. And I just love how that part turned out as well. I added the love wording from the front cover. I added it here, so I didn't make it a shaker. I just added it as a background. I just love how red looks with the black and white. I think it pops, so I just loved it there along with the background as blue. So the envelope also has a pocket behind it, so I do have a journal card there that says XOXO. I will pull it out in a little bit here. So it's just a cute little piece there. I just love it. It holds so much. So that's what I have so far. It is a work in progress, and I'm loving how it turns out. So I'm glad I'm able to share with you the steps on how it's turning out, but I will have a video of that alone, only the mini album, and it will just be a flip through, and I can share everything else with you there as well. So if you have any questions, you can link them below, and I would be glad to assist. This concludes the video, and I will see you in the next video.